Let's look at some useful reports in the Accounts Receivable Customers section. Let's come here under Reports and come down to Accounts Receivable. In here, once again, we encourage you to experiment with customer reports that work best for you and your business. And always remember that the Excel feature is available for further manipulation of the information that is reported on these customer reports. Let's look at a couple useful reports. Here's one that accountants love, the Sales Journal. Let's pull this report up. This brings up the report in a general ledger format, so we can look at each invoice transaction and see what the debit and credit impact is for those transactions. This report also offers drill down feature so that we have a magnifying glass here and we can drill down on any one of these transactions simply by double clicking on it. Let's look at another report. Let's come down here to a sales rep report. This is going to show for each sales rep over here what activity they had for the month and what commissions they might be due. Let's close this. And here's a very good report, taxable exempt sales, which we're going to use when we prepare our sales tax reports. Let's come up here and look at the cash receipts journal. Once again, this is going to show things in a general journal format in debits and credits and offer us drill down opportunity. You can see here that my cursor turns into a magnifying glass when I'm on top of the transaction. Now let's look at another feature within the reports that we haven't talked about yet. Let's come back in to the filter window and let's come here to the Fields tab. The Fields tab allows us to move columns around and select other information we may want. Here in the Cash Receipts Journal, we may want some additional information. Let's scroll down and see what our choices are. Here we may want to know the sales rep ID. If we want to add that into the report, we simply click on this box to add it in. Additionally, we may want it to be listed higher towards the front, so let's move it up. We're clicked on it, so now we just simply say click on move up until we get it up to where we want. Let's make it the second column. Click OK, and now Peachtree will add in the sales rep ID and it is now the second column. Let's scroll down and see if we have. Here's one that was coded to a sales rep. Let's drill down on this one. Yes, you can see here we have a sales rep coded right here on this cash receipt. So that's just a couple of the reports in the accounts receivable revenue area. Once again, we encourage you to experiment and work with the reports to get the information